In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personalized sales quotes on Shopify. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing processes, leveraging Shopify's features can help streamline your workflow significantly. There are two primary methods to achieve this: using Shopify's draft orders feature or tapping into dedicated quote management apps for more advanced customization and functionality. Let's dive right into the world of draft orders. The first thing you'll need to do is access the draft orders section. To do this, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Orders, and then select Drafts. This will open up a space where you can begin creating your custom order. Now, click on the Create Order button. This is your canvas to start crafting a personalized quote for your customer. Next, it's time to add products to your draft. Browse through your list of products and select the ones you'd like to include in the quote. You can easily manage your inventory this way and ensure that the right items are chosen for your customer. Once your products are added, you might want to offer your customer a special deal or discount. To do this, simply click on the item price. This will allow you to apply any discounts directly, giving you the flexibility to adjust prices based on your business strategy or customer loyalty. After your products and discounts are set, don't forget the human element, the customer. You can either select an existing customer from your database or add a new one. This ensures that your draft order is linked to the right individual, making follow-up and record-keeping a breeze. With everything in place, hit the Save button. This saves your progress and prepares your draft for the next step: sending an invoice. Once your draft order is complete, Shopify allows you to send an invoice directly to the customer, complete with a checkout link, making it easy for them to finalize their purchase. For more robust quote management, Shopify apps like Invoice Falcon, QTD, or Request a Quote offer expanded features. Start by installing one of these quote management apps from the Shopify App Store. With the app installed, follow its specific set of instructions to create a quote. This usually involves selecting the right products, adding detailed customer information, and customizing the quote template to reflect your brand's image and your client's needs. Distribution is seamless. These apps often provide options to send quotes via email or SMS, ensuring they reach your customer promptly. A handy feature some of these apps offer is quote tracking, allowing you to see when customers view or accept a quote. This feedback can be invaluable for making timely follow-ups. Once a customer is ready to move forward, many of these applications can convert the accepted quote into a Shopify order, streamlining the entire process. By integrating these techniques, you can enhance your customer interactions and improve your overall sales efficiency on Shopify. Whether you opt for draft orders or explore app-based solutions, creating personalized sales quotes on Shopify can be both effective and straightforward.